Did you know you can learn about term insurance with the help of this umbrella, and learning about this umbrella can make you rich? What am I talking about? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Niyu and welcome to our channel Let's Make You Rich, because getting rich isn't rocket science. Simplifying personal finance is our mission. To support us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Today, I have a co-host, Deadpool.
But मेरा क्या?
A lot of times people find it very difficult to talk about life insurance because it concerns either their death or a loved one's death. So they usually ignore the conversation or they delay it, and this impacts their financial health. That's why when we have some example like this, it takes all the emotion out of it and it can help you make a logical decision. Why Deadpool wants life insurance? I really don't know. Because इसको क्या ही फायदा होगा उसका? Deadpool doesn't die, so technically he doesn't need life insurance. But I guess he doesn't know that. So Deadpool will be our example in the video. Deadpool wants to opt for a term life insurance and he wants to understand how everything works in these type of policies. A term plan is a pure life insurance. Over here, you pay the insurance company only for the risk that they take in insuring your life. There are no investments made for you over here. These plans insure you for a long period of time, and that's why they are called term plans or term insurance. And in most plans, you don't get anything back from the insurance company if you survive the term. We explain the meaning of term insurance in this video, so if you haven't watched it, please check it out. Think of life insurance as an umbrella. You go outside and it's cloudy, so you take your umbrella with you. आपके पास कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं. These documents matter to you. पानी लग गया तो खराब हो जाएंगे. So you take the umbrella for extra protection. If it doesn't rain, well and good. Your documents are safe with you. But if it rains, the umbrella makes sure कि आपके documents खराब ना हो और आपको stress ना हो. That is precisely the role of life insurance. It is the umbrella that provides your loved ones protection. अगर Deadpool नहीं है तो उसकी umbrella की वजह से his loved ones can continue to get protection. Now, since we're discussing the umbrella, there are three main questions that you need to ask to learn all about term life insurance. Number one, how much does the umbrella cost and how much protection will it give you? Number two, how to make the umbrella bigger? And number three, how long will this protection last? एक बार आप ये सब समझ लेंगे तो आप खुद टर्म इंश्योरेंस के बारे में सीख जाएंगे, and that's basically the point, to simplify all the terms used here so that you can make smarter decisions. Number one, sum assured. Sum assured means how much protection will your umbrella give you? Is it a small umbrella, a regular umbrella, or a jumbo umbrella? Term insurance is a pure life insurance. That's why you can get a cover as high as 1 crore rupees for a very low premium. So, क्या Deadpool को unlimited life insurance मिलेगा? So Deadpool is smart. He thinks I'll have multiple term plans and that way I'll have many umbrellas for my family. But the insurance companies are smarter than him. They say no, there's a formula for that. The maximum life insurance you get will be 25 times your annual income. This is called human life value or HLV. And अब जितने भी policies ले लो, the total payout from all of those policies will not exceed 25 times your annual income. If you buy term insurance that's more than HLV, you're actually wasting your money. The second thing that Deadpool needs to decide for his umbrella is how his family is going to receive it. He has two options. He can choose the lump sum option where the entire sum assured will be given in one go. For example, if the sum assured is 1 crore and you choose the lump sum option, all of this will be given out all at once to your family. On the other hand, he can choose a monthly income option where the umbrella will be given to his family in small parts. And that's why financial education is important, because if a family gets so much money in one go, managing all of that money will become very difficult. They may not know what to do with it. And you don't want your family to unintentionally poke holes in your umbrella by buying things that don't matter. Number two, premium. Now, whenever you want something, the first question you ask is, कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा? How much is it going to cost? The cost of this protection that you get is called premium. You pay a premium to the insurance company because it takes a risk when it insures your life. The premium depends on many different factors: your age, your annual income, whether you smoke, where you stay, any existing health conditions, and number of dependents. Now, Deadpool is fussy, and that's why you have many different options to pay your premium. You can choose to pay your premium monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. Number three, premium payment modes. Now I'm going to show you this on my screen. I've gone to Tata AIA's website to check the premium payment options. So what happens is, you can pay premium in different modes. You can opt for a regular mode. There you have to pay premium every year till the policy ends. You can choose a limited pay where you only pay premium for X number of years, not the complete policy term. Or you have single pay policies where you pay the premium once and you get coverage for the entire duration. For the first policy, I get coverage of 1 crore rupees till I'm 85 years. So I'm 30 years now, so the term of my policy is 55 years. Under limited pay option for 5 years, the annual premium is 65,000 rupees per year for 5 years. If I choose regular pay option, I need to pay 14,000 rupees for 55 years. If I change the limited pay term to say 30 years, my premium comes down to 17,000 rupees. I can also choose single pay. In single pay, I need to pay money right now and then I get covered for the entire duration. If I choose that option, I will have to pay rupees 3,20,000 as premium to Tata AIA. We'll cover which option you can choose in another video. For now, I just wanted to tell you that these options exist. Number 4, free lookup period. Okay, so back to Deadpool for this example. Now, this guy does not like commitment, and because he takes so long to decide, the insurance companies decided to give him an easy way out. This is called the free lookup period. Think of it as a trial period. As per IRDA rules, the free lookup period is at least 15 days. If you bought your policy online, this period is 30 days. You get this time to review the policy, to read through the terms, and if you don't like this policy, you can return it and the insurance company will pay back your premium. But they deduct a small charge for the 15 or 30 days where you had life cover. Number 5, grace period. Now Deadpool has taken his term plan, but the next year he forgets to pay his premium on time. अब क्या होगा? Think about your phone bill. अगर phone bill एक दिन late हुआ तो do they disconnect your connection? No, not at all. Similarly, in this case, the insurance company gives you a grace period of 15 to 30 days to pay your premium. If you pay the premium within this time, the policy continues and your umbrella will continue to provide you protection. So now when you're buying a term insurance policy, you know what all you need to check for. Number 6, life stage benefit. Now imagine this. What if Deadpool gets married? So now he wants to protect his partner and make his umbrella bigger. There is an option for this in life insurance policies. It's called life stage benefit. Under this, you can keep increasing your umbrella as the number of dependents on you keep increasing. The events that they consider for this are your marriage, birth or adoption of the first child, birth or adoption of the second child. When the size of your umbrella increases, you will also have to pay more for it. So if you opt for this life stage benefit, you'll have to pay more premium because the coverage also increases. Number 7, policy term. The policy term is the number of years for which you stay covered. A term insurance policy generally covers you till a particular age. For example, if you want to get covered till you're 60 years, then subtract your current age from 60 and that's the policy term. Number 8, premium paying term. This is the number of years for which you have to pay your premium. If you choose regular pay, then you're paying premium that covers you for 1 year and you go on paying the same premium every year. Think of it as a prepaid plan or a subscription. If you choose a limited pay option, you pay in advance for multiple years at once.
But why will I choose to pay in advance when I can pay every year?
Now, because you're paying in advance, the insurance companies offer you some sort of a benefit. Now, let's look at our earlier example from Tata AIA. Here, I chose a limited pay of 5 years. So, my premium paying term is 5 years, but my policy term is 55 years. It's good to know these terms because ये नए options आए हैं and these can get very confusing for you. We'll cover what premium paying term you should choose in another video.
So, Niyu, what did we learn today?
So, in this video, we covered all the different definitions related to term life insurance, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. When I was reading a term insurance policy brochure, it was actually structured somewhat like this. And that made me feel like this is very complicated, this is something I can't really do, and that made me want to push it off or ignore it. And I know if it can happen to me, it can happen to any of you. So that's why I wanted to make this video. I wanted to deconstruct a term life insurance policy for all of you so that you can make smarter decisions. I hope you like this video. This video is a part of our life insurance simplified series. Tell us in the comments below what video you'd like to see next. It's possible for everyone to get rich because it's not rocket science. It's a set of simple steps that everyone can take. It's a process. And in this video, we decoded term life insurance plans which can help you make a better decision. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next week with something new.